Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve one problem on linked list. So let's see the problem statement. In this problem statement, we have to solve the linked list in a ascending order. There are only three numbers given in the linked list, namely 0, 1 and 2. The output should be in this format. So let's see the solution. We have one approach to solve this by counting the number of zeros, 1 and 2's. For counting the number of zeros, ones and 2, we will take three variables, and also we will take one pointer which will point to the head node. So I will write here pointer P. So we will count the number of zeros, ones and 2. So we will traverse the whole linked list. For traversing the first node, we will count the means which data is present there. So in the first node we have 1. We will increase the value of count variable 1. So now the count 1 becomes 1, and we will point to the next node. Now the node's data is 2, so we will increase the value of 2. Now again we will traverse to the next node and increase the count of. Now we will go to the next node and we will see which data is present at this node. So here is 1 is present, so we will increase the count 1 variable. So now it becomes 2. Now we will go to the next node and again see which data is present there. So here 2 is present, so we will increase the count of 2 variable. So this now becomes 1. Again we will point to the next node with the help of our pointer. So here the data is 0, so we will increase the value of variable 0. So now this becomes 1, and again we will point to the next node and we will see which data is present here. So here is 2. So here the count of variable 2 becomes 4, and again we will traverse to the next node and see which data is here. 2 is present, so we will increase it to 1 and it becomes 5. Now we have the counts of 1 respectively 1, 2 and 5. So we will now fill the values of this linked list. As our pointer reaches to the end and it becomes null, we will break that loop and again we will point the pointer to the head node. First of all it was to the head node, but after traversing it reaches to the end of the node. So we will again after getting the count of all the zeros, ones and 2's, we will pointer to the head node and we will again fill the values according to their counts. Now the pointer is pointing to the head node and we have their respective counts. At the first position, now we will fill the value 0, as our condition satisfies that count of 0 is greater than 0, means 1 is greater than 0. So we will put at the first node, we will put the value as 0, and we will we will decrement it, and we will go to the next node, ptr's next, ptr equal to ptr's next. So we will go to the next position. Again we will see that whether at this position whether our condition satisfies. So count has become now 0 because we have decremented it. So now count becomes 0. So this condition will not satisfy and we will come out of loop. And now we will going to see about count 1, whether it is greater than 0 or not. So for the count 1, the value here is 2, so 2 is greater than 0, so we will put the pointers data. Now pointer is at this position, means we have, first of all we have filled this 0 and now we are at this position, so we will put the point here data as pointers data equal to 1, and thoroughly we will decrement the count and we will go to the next, means pointers data equal to 1, so here becomes 1 and we will go to the next node, pointer equal to pointers next. So now pointer goes here, means at this position. So now the count becomes 1 because we have decremented here, so now count becomes 1 and we will see whether it satisfies the condition or not. So 1 is greater than 0, so we will put the pointers at, as the pointer is at this position, we will put the data value as 1 here. Now we will decrement the count and count becomes 0, so 0 is greater than 0, so no, we will go to the next position and our pointer is pointing to this node, means here. So now we will see for the 2. So with the count of variable 2 is 5, so we will see that whether this 5 is greater than 0. So now ptrs, as our ptr is at this position, so ptr's data is equal to, we will fill as our condition satisfied, we will fill here ptr's data equal to 2 and we will decrement the its counts, sorry, count 1 and here count 0, count of 2, we will decremented it and we will go to the next node, ptr equal to ptr's next. So we are at this position, we will fill here 2 and we will decrement the count, so now count becomes 4 is greater than 0, so we will go to the, we will put here as our pointer reaches here, we will put here data as 2 and again we will decrement the count. Now the count becomes 3 and ptrs go to the next pointer, means we are at this position and count is 3 and 3 is greater than 0, so we will put here data as 2, so now the count becomes 2. We again go to this position and we will check whether 2 is greater than 0, so 2 is greater than 0 and we will put here pointers data as 2. Now we will again decrement the count, then count becomes 1 and we will go to the next position, so whether 1 is greater than 0, yes, so we will put here pointers data as 2 and we will decrement the count. Now the count becomes 0 and we will go to the next position here. So but our this count variables 2 has become 0 and 0 is greater than 0, so this will become the false, this loop will become false and we will simply return the head node, means this node, and we got our desired output. So let's see on the screen by coding it